Yeah, it will if you shake it up. Hey, remember, break them in half.
Can you hold this for me?
I'll break them in half.
Oh, I thought that was it. You break that in half. I can't.
What the hell? It's so saturated.
Oh, I
This is
can't
nice.
even open it. Fuck.
The saturation.
It's good.
Ow! I was making dents in my hand. Ah! Fuck, you crack that one.
You can't do it.
Pussy. Oh, I can't do them anymore.
Give me the lid then.
Okay, Devin.
Fucking. There we are.
The handover is complete. Look at the colour of them. Shake it up. Oh, you shake it up more than that.
I can't reach it. You fucking
Well,
stuffed
take
it in
out
there.
then. Take it out.
I can't. Yeah, you fucked it up.
This is what you do, you retard. Oh. I love it exploding in his hand.
I don't think it's working. I don't think the Mentos are working. Oh.
I'll do it.
The Mentos aren't working. I'm keeping a distance. I'm keeping a distance. Go, do it! This is going on Facebook.
Wow,
It bounces.
you open the gun.
Facebook probably.
See that it won't fit. You should grind it in.
Son, you're gonna suck.
No, I did. I won't.
You idiot.
Oh no, I've broken it.
Good.
Fucking break. You've got like a trading.
You're like invincible. We need a hammer.
We can't finish.
We need a hammer.
I can't get it out.
You idiot. No, just fucking idiot. You can't just keep doing that. I'm not gonna do anything. Push that shit in.
It's gonna be here ages. Ow!
Just break them out. You're
Have you
tilting
got,
them
have you
off.
got something like this sticking it with a stick?
No, I don't. I don't bring a hammer. Sorry.
I'll get a stick.
You can have the gun. Alright.
Stick with this.
Just gonna destroy a tree. It's always brothers, man. What is that gonna do to your hand?
Go in!
What were you hoping?
Fuck, it's stuck now.
Wait.
Take your hand off. Take your hand
I
off.
don't want it.
No, take your hand off. There's nothing gonna come out there.
Yeah.
No, take your hand off.
Ain't nothing gonna come out.
No, take your hands off it. Nothing, look. Drop it now.
Just run, just run.
Nothing's happened.
Mentos just...
You just chuck it up now. That's not put nothing else. You
Wait.
it up. It was gonna explode. Go on.
Wait, let's civilize. Wait, why don't I put the other Mentos in? Stop wiping it on me.
I'm not even really doing anything.
Exactly. Ugh.
We did the second one, put it in, didn't you see it?
Yeah, fist
Oh, you
it.
chuck it up now.
No!
Yeah, but chuck it up.
Oh, God. No.
Oh.
It's leaking! It's leaking! Ah! Destruction. Now we do good for the environment. Yes, we should. We'll do good for the environment by recycling it. Yes.
Oh, that's gonna get it.
Oh, oh God. Look at the destruction. Oh my God. Why is this so yellow? Look at it. It's really yellow. I don't know why. But all look really tan. Look. Everything's really yellow. I don't know. Oh well, let's increase the saturation. This is good. I love saturation. Oh, it's so tanned, look. Lewis, you're so tanned. Lewis, look at me. Oh my god, you're so tanned.
Thank you very much. Go.
Oh my god.
Oh, no.
Ah! Looking tan there, Daniel. Lewis looking even extra tan.
Alright, you ready?
Go. Yes. Come on.
Ah!
What the hell?
Oh my god.
The bottom.
We need to open up.
You smack, look, you torn the bottom.
Water the plant. Don't you do it!